charges up.
Oh, it's all right. He's not gonna get through the fence. Oh, look at it! Come on, bring him back over here. Okay, look at what this dog's doing.
I don't like it.
Oh,
Ryan, get away.
come on, bring him back over here. He's not gonna get through the fence.
He might.
He's not.
You
Bring him
don't know
over.
that.
He's not gonna attack.
Ryan, come on, see if
So-
it's weird.
There's a fence in between us.
Yeah, a fence.
He's not too happy with Cloud or she.
Oh, Ryan.
I want to see if it does anything weird. Let Cloud run around a little bit. Just a little bit. Hey, he's not even barking. He's like, jeez.
Go eat some hay, you stupid elf.
Let go of him.
Come on, Ryan.
And this thing is right here. Look at this giant guy. It's growling.
Oh, wait, then let's move if it's growling.
I wonder if that's his baby. The smaller one?
Yeah, I don't know.
Or her.